birthday, Pam. Good morning na din. Wishing you all the goodness in life, especially good health dahil mas number one na kailangan mo yan para mas maalagaan mo pa yung growing family mo. And wishing also na sana ay mag-align lahat ng stars sa universe para makuha mo pa lahat ng wishes and dreams mo sa buhay. And more chika for us to come. See you soon.
Hi Pam! Happy birthday! I miss you so much. Hopefully makapag-bond us soon, te. And ang wish ko lang for you is for you to be more successful, be more mature as we are not getting any younger. Dapat as we age, mas lalo tayong pumifresh. Tama ba yun? And more blessings, especially sa family mo. Happy birthday! I miss you!
Hi sis, happy birthday. Nagsend ako sa'yo 10,000 sa Gcash. Charing, happy birthday sis, miss you. Hi Pami, I would like to greet you a blessed and happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, for you to receive all of what you deserve in life because you're so kind, you're so thoughtful, and you're such a good friend. I am really glad that we came this far, and I really didn't regret the first time I ever had a conversation with you, especially in work. And I'm so glad that I have a best friend in work like you. I'm so thankful that whenever I'm down, you're there, and at all times that I need you. So, I hope you enjoy your day-to-day, and I miss you so much. Mag-RTO ka naman para maran akong kasama, and also, we get to celebrate your birthday. I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to see you soon again. Happiest birthday again!
Hi Ate Pam. Happy birthday. I'm very grateful na dumating kayo sa buhay ko ni Sir Jet. Kasi sobrang laking impact niyo sa akin when it comes to decision making sa life. Kasi grabe yung support mo, and grabe rin yung support ni Sir sa akin when it comes sa pag-aaral ko, sa mga decision ko sa buhay, sa love life. Yun, parang lagi nyo din isipin, and lagi mong isipin na kung gaano ka ka-supportive sa akin, ganoon din ako ka-supportive sa'yo. And sobrang thank you sa lahat ng support and tulong na binigay mo sa akin. Not only bagay, but ang tawag dun, basta yun. Charot. Ang tawag dun, emotional support. Yun, emotional support. Grabe yung nagtithank you talaga ako dun sa emotional support na binibigay nyo mo and binibigay nyo sa akin ni Sir. Kasama na rin dun sila Rob, sila Jules. Sobrang thankful ko na meron ako na kayo. Ha? Ano daw? Meron akong kayo. Yun. Yun lang. Antok na ako. Sige na. Bye-bye. Love you. Always remember na mahal kita.
Ating ipagdiwang ang karawan ng ating mahal na kaibigan ni si Pamela Roo.
Happy birthday, Pamela. Happy birthday, Pamela.
Ang hiling namin sa iyo ay makamit mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Pamela. Happy birthday, Pamela.
Naway mapagpatuloy mo pa ang pagiging mabuting tao.
Happy birthday, Pamela. Happy birthday, Pamela.
Happy birthday, Pamela. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana nagdagan nyo na sila Kael para 4 na sila. Tapos, lahat ng gusto mo, sana maging successful.
Happy birthday, Te. Thank you always sa lahat ng tulong mo, tulong niyo ni Sir. Tapos, hiling ko lang is maging successful ka. Sana matupad lahat ng sinasabi mo sa akin na mga pangarap mong gawin. At huwag mo kami kakalimutan pag successful ka na. Dahil lagi kang nakasupport sa amin. Always remember, kami lagi din nakasupport sa inyo ni Sir. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pamela!